Introducing Passion Planner Daily. Passion Planner Daily helps you align your days with your dreams. It's simple. If you can fill in a blank, you can plan out your life. First, you define your long and short-term goals in your passion roadmap. Next, choose your game changer goal, which is the goal that would have the biggest impact in your life. Then break it down into actionable steps and add those to your daily layouts. Each daily layout features a place to define your day's focus, a section for you to work towards your game changer goal, personal and work to-do lists, a free space to grow section that you can customize to your needs, and a self-maintenance section so you can prioritize taking care of yourself every day. It also doubles as a memory log where you can jot down the best thing that happened and what you learned each day. You can also summarize your day in one word and track your mood. The appointment calendar is a great way to visualize your day. Passion Planner Daily covers 3 months and is undated, so you can start anytime and pick up right where you left off. The right side is what we call a space of infinite possibility, a simple dotted grid for you to customize to your needs. The possibilities are endless. The monthly self-check-ins are there for you to reflect on the past month and plan for the next. Bonus features include a who and what I'm grateful for page, a 4-page annual spread, 14 extra dotted grid pages, a handy-dandy tear-proof fabric pocket, lay-flat design for easy writing, high-quality bleed-resistant paper, and a durable elastic strap that doubles as a pen loop. Get started today with our free downloadable PDF. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start.